Hi, my name's Aaron with Veloci Performance Products, and today I want to talk undercarriage cleaning and introduce you to our Deluxe Undercarriage Cleaner. Now, why is the undercarriage cleaning so important? Well, here in Minnesota, during the winter months, we have a lot of rock salt or salt brine that gets laid down, and that builds up over time underneath your vehicle. I know that when I can see it on the side of my vehicle, what do we think's happening underneath the car where you can't see it? And over time, that can lead to rust and damage and buildup. So let's take care of the undercarriage cleaner. Now, we can do that in a couple ways. One, high pressure is good for cleaning, but if we introduce chemicals and soaps to the undercarriage cleaning experience, you can use both high pressure and chemistry to do a much more effective job at cleaning all that road brine and salt. And during the summer months, they're doing road construction. There's all this rubberized crack filling material and all sorts of other road stuff they're laying down that builds up underneath. Let's give our undercarriage the best experience possible by introducing soap and high pressure together. So let's talk about this new Deluxe Undercarriage Cleaner from Veloci Performance Products and what's different. Most traditional undercarriage cleaners and our current versions don't have what we call a trombone valve down here, and it's got a little kick tab. When you pull this out and push it in, it moves it from high pressure to low pressure, which engages the chemical injector on my pressure washer in there, so it can start drawing that soap and that water so that we can apply the chemical to the underside. Kind of like foam cannons. You're gonna use foam and soap and chemicals, and then you're gonna switch over to your high pressure rinsing. Anything else, or should we just give her a rip? So when you purchase the new Deluxe Undercarriage Cleaner, you get the parts that you see in my hands here. So you get the kind of intermediate wheel setup, and you also get the trombone valve with the kick tab and the high pressure 4-nozzle undercarriage cleaner itself. If you need an additional lance to go from your trigger gun to the intermediate wheel system, we've got plenty of lances available on our website. We've got aluminum, we've got stainless steel. I recommend stainless steel for everything. And we've got different lengths for you to choose from depending upon your height and what you're trying to accomplish or what kind of vehicle you're cleaning. So you might need to go farther underneath a dump truck or a semi versus a BMW or any other standard daily drivers. We do have the lances, I believe, where they come set up with the coupler and plug already installed on them. It obviously doesn't come with a trigger gun either. So if you don't have a trigger gun yet, plenty of options on the web portal. If you have any questions for us, please leave a comment down below, or on the website, you've got our phone number or our email, and you can reach out to us anytime and we'd be happy to help you. Say hello to my little friend. All right, so let's fire up the pressure washer. Let's check this thing out in action. We're gonna get the best shots for you we can here so you can show the actual trombone valve in action so that you can see it switching from high pressure to low pressure and applying soap and chemicals to our undercarriage. So what you can see happening now is that we're in high pressure at the moment, and there's 4 nozzles spraying in high pressure, and we're probably 6 inches from the bottom of the car, which is a pretty safe distance for this to be operating. And so you see I can go, I'm probably on the other side of the car, or close to it. With this alone, do a little pre-rinse. We'll get some of what we're looking to get clean. So now, let's put our trombone valve into low pressure. Give the injector a minute to start drawing so we can get soap to come through the hose here. So we have soap drawing out of the injector nozzle now. You can see some of the suds on the ground. And I can smell that sweet cherry scent. You can see the suds there. And the thing about it is, this is not a foam cannon. This is not intended to be a foam cannon. So now that we're in low pressure, you can see the soap coming out below. We are now using soap and chemical to increase our cleaning power. No different than when you clean anything else around your house, right? We use soap and other chemicals, we can do a better job of cleaning. And my most important part is actually up underneath the engine. That's where I like to get clean. So Now that we've rinsed and soaped the undercarriage, now we can go back to high pressure. See there? Now we're in high pressure again. So let's give it a good rinse. See a lot of soap coming off from underneath there. So to finish, you don't need to spend that much time cleaning it. A couple passes in each spot is more than enough. But the new Deluxe Undercarriage Cleaner, as I showcased here, is we move into low pressure. And now we can apply soap and chemical out of this nozzle. And when you kick it back in, the high pressure nozzle is engaged and you can be rinsing again. So this is an upgraded version that allows you to use chemistry to clean your undercarriage cleaner more effectively. But if you have any questions, comment down below or jump onto our website, which there's a link down in the description, and you can call us, email us, and we'd be happy to help you out with any of your undercarriage questions or needs. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more great content.